We've got various problems that we know about, some we don't know about. Eutrophication, habitat degradation, invasive species, a whole spectrum of things are going on. How do we solve these problems? And the key thing is having a science evidence base, really. We need to get good science into practical conservation and restoration. So we're really all about informing where we go next, informing conservation and restoration, and getting the best science into those things in a practical way. We teach about lakes, ponds, rivers, estuaries, learning about the geomorphology, the hydrology, and especially about all the species that are living there. How you monitor those systems, how you model into the future, how you reconstruct what some of these places were like in the past, understanding how we restore and how we conserve these habitats. Lectures, seminars, we have laboratory practical classes, role play exercises where you pretend to be a stakeholder. The thing that we really pride ourselves on is field work. We have a field trip to North Norfolk, a field trip to the Scottish Highlands. In term 2 we have field trips to Dorset, to Ireland, and there's a new one coming in on rewilding which will be up in the Lake District. There's a range of different types of assessment. It's all coursework based, and the coursework we try and keep it quite varied. Standard essays, project proposals, presentations, species identification quizzes. It can be very diverse, really. We encourage people to do what they want to do. Out in the field surveying fish, plants, invertebrates, projects looking at underwater sound, modelling hydrology through a catchment, interviewing farmers, going to the tropics, looking at turtles. It crisscrosses biology, hydrology, ecology, and quite a lot of conservation-led projects. We've got a wonderful sort of alumni network. So the lovely thing about this is that we keep in touch with students when they're finished, and we have regular events that bring people back. And of course, they're in all sorts of different jobs. So they're in NGOs, they're in Environment Agency, Natural England, Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust. Ecological consultancy is also another major route way for students, and I'd say about 60% of students, or perhaps about 70%, go on to do sort of in the workplace. They're applying what they've learned in the workplace in that way, in the conservation sector or statutory agencies, and then about 30% go on to do PhDs.